Hello everyone, this is Water Fanatic, back again with another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Morse code translator. This is going to be useful for EAS in the future. So yeah, without further ado, let me follow you through how to use Morse code translator. First, you want to go to this website here. I'll provide the link to the website in the description. Second, you want to type anything you want here. Here, let me show you an example. Seek shelter now. And then hit play and see your final result. See, pretty cool, huh? Now you can use it for, like, listeners and stuff. Or maybe something else, I don't know. Here, I'll try, let's do another one. Evacuate now. Alright, hit play. Pretty sick, am I right? Alright, here's the full alphabet here. You see all those black rectangles and black circles? Yeah, those were used for Morse codes. Alright, that's it. And that is how you use Morse code translator. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. This is me, Water Fanatic, signing off.